So now, today, we are going to speak, or we are going to work on page number 113. And here says dozen, right? So, a dozen means una docena. ¿Cuántos objetos tiene una docena? Or how many things has one dozen? 12. Su misma palabra lo dice, tanto en inglés como en español. Dozen, como docena, ¿sí? And docena, 12. ¿Sí ven? So, easy job. Now, let's move right here. Fill in the blanks. Here. How many pins has one quart? 2. How many eggs has 1,000 eggs? ¿Cuántos huevos tiene una docena de huevos? 12. How many pegs has one bushel? 4. How many feet has 1 yard? 3. How many quarts has 1 gallon? 4. How many quarts has 1 peg? 8. How many inches has 1 feet? 12. How many minutes has 1 hour? 60. And how many hours has 1 day? 24. Eso ya lo sabían. So super easy. Now, point number 2 says, solve these story problems. Mr. Stern has 16 piano students, 4 organ students, and 11 violin students. How many music students does she have in all? So what do we need to do? Add. What are we going to add? 16, 4, and 11. Recuerda que el 4 se ubica aquí al lado. Como este es solo ones, entonces va con los ones, right? So it is 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11. I'm carrying 1. Lo voy a escribir aquí al ladito la respuesta. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So in all, there were 31 piano students. Music students. Here, how many more piano students does Mr. Stern have than violin students? ¿Cuántos de más estudiantes de piano tiene la señora Stern que los estudiantes de violín? ¿Ven? Es una comparación. So, piano students, it is 16. And violin students, they are 11. 16 minus 11, 5. Now let's move on. 3. Solve and check this equation. Remember, which is the first step that we do. 14 plus 4, 19. Hacemos lo que ya sabemos. ¿Qué hace la letra N? Kick it away. Entonces, como ella manda a volar al 6, el 6 llega al otro lado, pero llega con el signo opuesto. Si está sumando, llega a restar. And 19 minus 6, 13. You see? Now, here. Let's do it by yourself. Tick-tock, 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 tick-tock. Let's do it. Everybody. Right. So here we can see both answers, right? And here we are going just to subtract, and that's it, right? So, 4 minus 2, 2. May I take 9 from 0? No. So this one changed to a 10, and this one changed to a 6. 10 minus 9, 1. And 6 minus 1, 5. And we leave it like that. Next, 9 minus 4, 5. Can we take 7 from 2? No. So this one changed to 2, and this one changed to a 5. 12 minus 7, 5. May I take 8 from 5? No. So this one changed to a 15, and this one changed to a 1. 15 minus 8, 7. Good job. Now let's move on. 3 minus 2, 1. Easy job. May I take 4 from 1? No. So this one changed to a 11, and this one changed to a 9, and this one changed to a 1. Porque para que el 0 pudiera prestar, tenía que pedir prestado primero. 11 minus 4, 7. 9 minus 9, 0. And 1 minus 0, 1. Right here. 9 minus 7, 2. This one changed to a 14, and this one to a 6. 14 minus 8, 6. Right? And may I take 8 from 6? No. So this one changed to a 16, and this one to a 0. 16 minus 8, 8. And 0 minus 0, 0. Here, may I take 9 from 8? No. So this one changed to an 18, and this one to a 2. 18 minus 9, 9. May I take 9 from 2? No. So this one changed to a 12 and this one changed to a 5. 12 minus 9, 3. Right? And 5 minus 1, 4. Can you see it? Now let's move on. So the next page, page number 114, it is in this way. We need to divide. So may I find 4 in 2? No. So what do I have to say? Hey, come here and work with me. 4 multiplied by 5, 20. 20 minus 20, 0. What happened next? Bring down. How many times may I find 4 in 9? 2. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. 9 minus 8, 1. What happened next? Bring down. How many times may I find 4 in 19? How many times do you think? 4. 4 multiplied by 4, 16. And 19 minus 16, 3. Remainder 3. Right? So now here. How many times may I find 74? No. So hey, come here and work with me. How many times may I find 7 in 44? How many times? 6. 6 multiplied by 7, 42. 44 minus 42, 2. What happened next? Bring down. How many times may I find 7 in 25? How many times? 3. 7 multiplied by 3, 21. 25 minus 21, 4. How many times may I find 5 in 23? 4. 5 multiplied by 4, 20. 23 minus 20, 3. What happened next? Bring down. How many times may I find 5 in 31? 6. 6 multiplied by 5, 30. 31 minus 30, 1. Remainder, 1. Can you see? Here says work quickly. So let's do it quickly. Right? A, 3 multiplied by 5, 15. Good. 7 multiplied by 5, 35. Good. 3 multiplied by 8, 24. Good. 9 multiplied by 4, 36. Good. 3 multiplied by 4, 12. Good. 2 multiplied by 6, 12. Good. 10 multiplied by 2, 20. Good. Now, here is easy. How many times can you find 6 in 36? 6. 4 in 16? 4. 5 in 35? 7. 3 in 30? 10. And 4 in 36? 9. Can you see it? Now here says, follow the sign. So here says, at 5 plus 8, 13 plus 4, 17, I carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4. Point. 3 plus 6, 9. Plus 9, 18. Right? Now let's multiply. 6 multiplied by 4, 24. I carry 2. 6 multiplied by 5, 30. Plus 2, 32. Carry 3. 6 multiplied by 0, 0. Plus 3, 3. And 6 multiplied by 2, 12. Right? Here. 4 multiplied by 5, 20. I carry 2. 4 multiplied by 9, 36. Plus 2, 38. I carry 3. Right? 4 multiplied by 3, 12. Plus 2, plus 3, 15. 4 multiplied by 7, 28 plus 1, 29. Right? Easy job. Now, letter D. 7 multiplied by 8, 56. I carry 5. 7 multiplied by 4, 28. Plus 5, 33. I carry 3. 7 multiplied by 3, 21. Plus 3, 24. I carry 2. 7 multiplied by 6, 42. Plus 2, 44. Good job. Now, here. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5. 13 plus 9. 22. Good job. Right. 2 plus 7. 9 plus 6. 15 plus 9. 19. Right? Now, let's move on. Here. 5 plus 2. 10. Sorry, 5 plus 2. 7. Plus 5. 12. I carry 1. 1 plus 5. 6. Plus 7. 13. I carry 1. 1 plus 9. 10. Plus 6. 16. Plus 9. 25. I carry 2. 2 plus 2. 4. Plus 1. 5. Plus 5. 13. Good job. Set the clocks. Here it says, set the clocks. 7:15. So 7 and 15. 4:35. 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 9 and 10, right? And here it says, multiply each number by 7. 10 multiplied by 7, 70. 5 multiplied by 7, 35. 3 multiplied by 7, 21. 9 multiplied by 7, 63. And 6 multiplied by 7, 42. You see? Now, let's move on here. Page number 115. This one is so easy because we are talking about calendar time. So you know how many months has one year, how many days has 1 year, how many leap year, how many days has one year leap year. One leap year significa un año bisiesto, lo que sucede cada 4 años. And how many weeks has 1 year? Alrededor de 52 semanas tenemos en un año. So here says, study the page from a calendar. Entonces, aquí nos van a hacer unas preguntas que debemos responder aquí en el calendario. Dice, letter A, write the name of the month on the calendar. Escribe el nombre del mes en el calendario. So we are in April. So write down April, right? B, box all of the months. Enciérrale una cajita a todos los Mondays, todos los lunes. So, Monday, 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 and Monday. You see? How many days are in 1 week? ¿Cuántos días hay en una semana? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 days here. Write down 7 days. Next, according to this calendar, how many days will there be this year? 365 or 366? 365. Porque estamos hablando, esto es un mes que llegó el 28, a 28 días, como si fuera febrero. Here, about how many weeks are in 1 year. Alrededor de cuántas semanas hay en un año? Here says 52. So it is 52. Here, circle all the Fridays. Circle Friday, 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 and Friday. Is this were a leap year? If this were a leap year, on what day will the 29th fall? ¿Cuál día caería el 29 si este fuera un año bisiesto? Entonces 25 miércoles, Wednesday, 26 Thursday, 27 Friday, 28 Saturday, 29? Yes, Sunday. So write down Sunday. Draw a line through 1 week. Haz toda una línea a través de una semana. Entonces yo voy a escoger esta. Si tú quieres puedes escoger la de arriba o la siguiente. Right? According to this calendar, what day of that week is February 11? ¿Qué día sería? Wednesday. So write down Wednesday. Wednesday. Right? Very good. And finally, we are going to do this page 116, right? So let's do it. In the library, there are 2,345 science books, 1,469 history books, 270 shares, and 628 magazines. How many readable items in all are in the library? ¿Cuántos ítems que se puedan leer? So, 2,345 libros de ciencias. So we are going to write down this one. History books, 1,469. 270 shares, ¿las sillas son para leer? No. 628 magazines, 628 revistas. In all, so we need to add, right? 5 plus 9, 14 plus 8, 22, I carry 2. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 2, 14, I carry 1. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 6, 14. I carry 1. And 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4. right? And here says, how many more history books are there than magazines? How many more than? So we are going to subtract. Yes, history books. We have 1,469, right? Magazines. In magazines we have 628. So 9 minus 8, 1. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 minus 6, no. So this one changed to a 14 and this one to a 0. 14 minus 6, 8. Right? Now let's move on to the review. Here says, divide all of these ones, yes? So let's do it. How many times may I find 6 in 5? No. So what do I have to say? Hey, come here and work with me. How many times may I find 6 in 52? 8. 8 multiplied by 6, 48. 52 minus 48, 4. What happens next? Bring down. How many times may I find 6 in 44? 7. 7 multiplied by 6, 42. 44 minus 42, 2. What happens next? Bring down. 6 multiplied by 20. How many times may I find 6 in 28? 4. 4 multiplied by 6, 28. You see? Sorry, 24. Excuse me. You see? 24. 28 minus 24, 4. Reminder, 4. You see? Now, let's move on to this one. Let's do it by yourself. Right now, everybody. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Let's do it. How many times may I find? Let's do it by yourself. Right? You got it? Yes or no? Let's do it. So right, the answer is 1,942. Reminder, 2. Right? And here, how many times may I find 6 in 3? No, I can't. So I need to say, hey, come here and work with me. How many times may I find 6 in 37? 6. 6 multiplied by 6, 36. 37 minus 36, 1. What happened next? Bring down. How many times may I find 6 in 15? 2. 2 multiplied by 6, 12. 15 minus 12, 3. What happened next? Bring down. How many times may I find 6 in 31? 5. 5 multiplied by 6, 30. And 31 minus 30, 1. Reminder, 1. So here, I need to erase this, right? So, let's start. 11 plus 1, 12. Multiplied by 5, 60. And 60 minus 10, 50. Right? And here, 7 plus 7, 14. 14 minus 4, 10. 10 plus 11, 21. 21 minus 1, 20. Yes? Let's move on. Find the answers right here. So let's start. Point number 5. Find the answers. So may I take 9 from 4? No. So this one changed to a 14 and this one to a 9 and this one to a 6. 14 minus 9, 5. 9 minus 3, 6. 6 minus 8, no. So this one changed to a 16 and this one to a 1. 16 minus 8, 8. And 1 minus 1, 0. Letter B. 6 plus 3, 9. Plus 1, 10. I carry 1. 1 plus 7, 8. Plus 5, 13. Plus 1, 14. I carry 1. 1 plus 8, 9. Plus 4, 13. Plus 9, 22. Let's multiply. 6 multiplied by 5, 30. I carry 3. 6 multiplied by 4, 24. Plus 3, 27. I carry 2. 6 multiplied by 6, 36. Plus 2, 38. 1, 2, 3, comma. 7 multiplied by 9, 63. 7 multiplied by 7, 49. 49 plus 6, 55. I carry 5. 7 multiplied by 8, 56 plus 5, 61. Right? Here. Letters E. 9 minus 6, 3. 7 minus 2, no. So this one changed to a 12 and this one to a 5. 12 minus 7, 5. Here, may I take 8 from 5? No. So 15 and this one changed to a 0. 15 minus 8, 7. And 0 minus 0, 0. You see? Let's move on to letter F here. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 9, 19. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 6, 9 plus 2, 11. You see? And now finally we are going to choose, circle the products that are wrong, right? So let's do it. 0 multiplied by 7, 0. It is right. 1 multiplied by 7, 7. 2 multiplied by 7, 14. So this one is wrong. 3 multiplied by 7, 21. So this one is wrong. 4 multiplied by 7, 28. It is okay. 5 multiplied by 7, 35. It is right. 6 multiplied by 7, 42. So this one is wrong. 7 multiplied by 7, 49. It is right. 8 multiplied by 7, 56. So this one is wrong. 9 multiplied by 7, 63. Right? So this one is wrong. 7 multiplied by 10, 70. Good. And 11 multiplied by 7, 77. It is correct. So thank you guys. It was the class for today. Bye bye.